Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO A15s and I want to show you how to see available random access memory on this device. Starts of opening settings application and it scroll down to our about phone selection, which is right there, and tap on our version. In it we must tap sometimes to our build number. We need activate our develop mode to see our available storage. We must confirm our choice entering our look screen, and now when we are in develop mode, go back and look for our additional settings selection where we have new option, add a developer option. We tap on it and their memory. Now we can read that we have 1.9 gigabytes available random access memory. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.